So what's up guys, so welcome to CSS class, and in this class we will be learning about flex boxes. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll come over here and I'll type out my style uh, element. So inside of this flex boxes I'll be making use of these four divisions. I will make this first division, then I will make the second division, third division, and this is my fourth division. Okay, and inside of this I will give the letters, not anchor tag, I want a letter. Okay, and inside of this I will say B, C, and D. Okay, so these are my four divisions, and now I will apply some styling to this. So I will put all this division inside of this main division. I will say div, and I will give the class as container, and let me just cut this. Okay, so now there is this main division. Inside of this I have these four divisions, which is A, B, C, D. Now I'll come over here and I will say dot container, and to this container I will apply the property display, and I want to display this as a flex because I'm making use of the flex boxes, and I will give the background color as yellow green. And if I'm just saving this, so let me just go and execute my file. Okay, this is that file. Okay, so this is the output what I'm getting, and now I'll make some changes. So now I want to apply this styling on these divisions, which are these divisions are inside of this main division. So now what I'll do is I will call my class. I will say dot container, and dot container, and now this is our main division which got class as a container, and inside of this I have these divisions, and on these divisions I want to apply some properties. So I will make use of this greater than sign, and then I will give the name of the division. Okay, since these divisions are inside of this main division, I have made use of this greater than sign. This is basically the concept of inheritance, and now I will apply properties on them. I will say background color, and I will give them the background color as aqua, and after that I will give them the margin. I will give the margin of 10 pixels. Then I have a padding. I'll give the padding of also 10 pixels, and I think this much is enough. Let me just save this, come over here and refresh. Okay, so these are my four elements, which are which is A, B, C, and D, and this is my flex box which got a background color as green. And now let me show you how to give the flex direction. Okay, so I will say flex direction, and if I'm just okay, so these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 values I'm getting. So first I'll give the column. I will save this, and now this flex boxes will be converted into columns. Okay, so now I'm getting this in a column format, and now if suppose I want to make them reverse, if suppose I want D at the top, then C, then B and A, then I will say flex reverse or column reverse, sorry, column hyphen reverse. I will save this, I will come over here and I will refresh. Okay, so now I'm getting the reverse order D, C, B, A. Now again I will come over here, and the next property I will give is row, and now if I'm just giving the property as sorry, value as row, I will get the all these flex boxes in the form of a row, which is a previous one. And if I'm just saying row reverse, then I'll be getting the reverse order, which is I'll get D at the front, and then C, then B, and then A. Okay, so this is the reverse in the reverse order I'm getting. The order is also getting reversed, and the place is also getting reversed. Okay, so from the backend side now they are reversing themselves, I mean aligning themselves in the reverse order. And the next property what I will apply is flex wrap. Okay, so when I'm making use of this flex wrap, I will give the value as wrap. So when I'm giving the value as a flex wrapped, they will be all the elements which are inside of this will be wrapped together. Okay, so now if I'm just saving this, let me just remove this property which is flex reverse, and let me refresh. Okay, so now all of them are at the front, and if I'm just minimizing the screen, it is not getting minimized. Okay, so let me just increase the size. I will give the 40 and 40 over here. I will save this. Now the size will be getting increased. Okay, so now if I'm just changing the screen of my size, they can properly align themselves according to the screen, as can be seen over here. And when I'm giving the property as a flex wrapped, and I'm giving the value as a wrap, you can when we give the value as a wrap, you can you can see them aligning themselves according to the change of a screen. I mean, they are responsive. And if I'm saying no wrap, that means they won't be changing their screen size. Let me just refresh this. As can be seen, they are not aligning themselves according to the screen, and I have to just scroll to the left and right and see the elements. Okay, so they are now going off screen. But if we are giving the value as wrap, that means they are wrapping together. Okay, now I'm just saving this, coming over and refreshing, and they are wrapping, and they are responsive, and they are changing their position according to the screen, and they are aligning themselves on the screen. Okay, so this is the use of flex wrap, which is making your flex boxes responsive. And next property that we have is justifying our content. Okay, so now if I'm saying justified content, and if I'm just giving the value as a center, then all these elements will be getting aligned at the center. Okay, okay, so as can be seen, A, B, C, D, all of them are at the center position. If suppose I am giving the justified content or value as a flex start, then they will be going at the starting of the starting position. I will say flex start. I will save this, and now they should be coming at the start. Okay, so now they're at the starting position, and I'm giving, if I'm giving the value as a flex end, and if I'm just saving this, they should be going at the end position. Okay, so nice and seen. This is how we can change their positions by giving the property justified content, and these are the number of the values that you can give on them. And next property is item align. I will come down below here, and I will say item sorry, it's align item, uh, align items. And now if suppose I'm giving the values as center and saving this, then all the values will be aligned at the center. Why this is not working? Align items at the center, and let me just give another value like flex end. And if I'm just saving this, coming over here, and now they are already aligned at the ending position. And if I'm giving the value as flex start, I'm just saving this, refreshing. Okay, so I think this property align property is getting messed up with this justified. So let me just comment this code. I'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so it was getting it was having some conflicts with this property which is justified content, because both of them are doing somewhat similar stuff. So either you can give this property, or you can make use of this property. If you are giving both of them, then they will be getting they will give you error, because basically they take almost same values, and there will be conflict among them. Okay, so make either one of them. And thanks for watching. This was all about the flex boxes, and inside of these flex boxes you can even uh, display images. Just make use of the image tag, and give the source over here, and in place of this A, B, C, D, your images will be displayed. Okay, And while displaying the images, you just have to remove this margin and padding. Okay, so just reduce this margin padding, and you can keep the margin, or you can just mess with this margin and padding. uh, you can, inside of this division, you can even post the headings, paragraphs, whatever you want. And this is how you can make use of these flex boxes. Okay, so this was all about flex boxes, guys. Thanks for watching.